Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. The given Amit Kumar invests rupees 36,000 in buying rupees 100 shares at rupees 20 premium. So the dividend is 15% per annum, and we need to find the number of shares he buys and his yearly dividend and the percentage return on his investment. So investment amount is 36,000 rupees and the market value of one share will be 100 plus 20, which is 120. So market value of one share is 120 rupees and the dividend is 15%. So first we need to find the number of shares he buys. So the number of shares is equals to the total investment divided by the market value of one share or each share. So which is 120. So 36,000 divided by 120. So if we divide 36,000 by 120, we'll get 300. So number of shares he buys are 300 shares. So now find the yearly dividend. So the dividend on one share is 15% of one share value is 100. So 15% of 100. So dividend on one share is 15 by 100 into 100, so which is 15 rupees. And dividend on 300 shares. So he bought 300 shares. So dividend on 300 shares is 15 times of 300, which is 4,500 rupees. Now find the percentage return on his investment, which is nothing but the rate of interest. So rate of interest equals to dividend divided by investment into 100. So the dividend is 4,500 and the investment is 36,000, and we need to multiply this by 100 as well. So if you simplify this, you will get 12.5%. So we are supposed to write the answer in whole number. So the rate of interest or percentage of return is 13%. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.